Hello, guys. Noah here. Today I'm going to be starting a series about coding. Recently, I've been getting into C++, and today I'm going to try to make my own programming language using it to try and understand C++ a bit more. Please do not judge me. I'll try my best. First of all, I need to get errors and tokenizers and the lexer and all that stuff. So step one, let's get the basics. As in, include this and this. Sorry, it's just the autofill. I'm not going to be using that. As long as I'm already going to do it. Yeah. Alright, so step one, we need tokens. Alright, let's see if I can remember. Actually, I don't need map. I'm going to see if I can. I'm not going to use that. I don't know what enum is. If anyone knows C++ in the comments, tell me what enum is and what that means. So instead, I'm going to. Let me think. Alright, I need map. Alright. Map. String going to string. Alright. Right now I just need basic expressions. You know, nothing crazy complicated. Actually, who needs to define stuff right now? Let's just do it. And actually, let's flip this over. Why is it erroring? What's going on with that? No, we also just need in main. For now, it's just going to return 0. Let's just put a few lines between that. Actually, who cares about capitalization? Alright, why is it giving me errors already? What does it look like when I run? Actually, who needs map? What is going on? Won't tell me what's up. Alright, what is going on? Do I... actually... Wait, no. Oh yeah, wait. Yeah. Now I get it. For now, let's just do 10. Yes. By the way, in this video, I'm just going to... What? In this video, I'm going to be doing, I'm going to... Wait, I already said what I was going to be doing in this video. If only my thing would work. What is going on? To be honest, I just need it to read. We need parentheses and numbers. Oh yeah, and floats. And for those who don't know, here's a plus, here's a minus, here's a divide, a multiply, here is a divide, here is a right parenthesis, and here is a left parenthesis, and that must be a whole number. And now here, there is everything that you need to know so far. And now this runs the program basically. This makes it so you don't have to do that. This for that, like this, and then tokens to handle the parser later. And everything must end with a semicolon. Just like that. Except for comments. These are all comments, by the way. Ends the program as well. We also need to add something there. Right now, if we save it and we run it, we're not going to get anything. Can't believe I just spent 10 minutes doing this. I'm sorry, guys. I just am not good at editing, so please just fast forward or skip if you want. I don't really care. So now those are the tokens. We need a token handler. Nope. Instead, we are going to be doing a class, which, if you don't know, a class takes in a object and whatever is in there you can call and it'll adjust that or modify that object. Very useful for stuff like object-oriented programming and inheritance. So now, nope, I want to go. So, number one, you need to get the position. And now, we need this for the current character we are on. Now, this is correct, but let's swap this out with a 0 and delete this and this as the. And now let's just send that away. And basically what a token, like, since I'm doing the class name, this means that this script is going to run when you call it. So you can easily just call in the token and get an output. And now this is to iterate for stuff, and now we are actually going to call it right here, right now. What? I don't get that. Why is it erroring? Trust me, it should not be doing that. Listen, I don't know why it's doing that. It's saying it cannot be overloaded. What? To anyone who knows C++, can you please comment how to fix this? You know what? Just because the code is being annoying about it, but let's just make it return 0. Yet it still doesn't want to work. I don't know. You know what? Let's move on and just hope. So now, what we need it to do is, we need to tokenize the script. We do need a placeholder. Now for here, well, the current character, which we defined earlier, is, you know what, we actually do need, my bad. So, while the current character is less than, or is less than the length of the text, I don't need all of, I'm going to do this myself. No. Actually, we do need, where is it erroring? Why is it saying that's an error? That is not an error. Text is defined up, you know what? Just gonna call it text2 and redefine it everywhere. That should fix it. What the heck? I don't get why it's erroring. And it's still complaining about the advanced option thing. Fine then. How? Oh my god. Alright. Is that the issue? But text2 was defined. You know what? I think I see what's going on. Let's see how this goes. What do you mean it wasn't declared? Yes, it was. You know what? How about we remove the 2? At this point, I'm just going to call the title me trying to figure out how to code in C++. I promise you I know the basics. Alright, so now you know what? Let's add another T for temp. Now we can delete this. And there, everything works, guys. Going to save it and hope that nothing... perfect. The code ran perfectly. Alright, now... I feel like there's way too many comments, but whatever. By the way, I know what is going on. Just don't mind the autofill. I understand. It just saves time, okay? I understand everything it does, by the way. Maybe we don't need it to say return token every single time. But the channel also is not called No Sarah Plays anymore, as the collab has ended. So it was fun while it lasted. I might still post occasionally on the channel. I want to finish this playlist mainly. Alright. You know what? I'm just going to rename this to C for current character, because it saves time. And now I can just replace no, I do not want to replace all of that stuff. You know what? This I want to change all occurrences. CC, except for that, of course. Alright, now for this, we need to go up here and, yep, we need it for isDigit. Hopefully I can get this video through. If it's multiple parts, that's because YouTube won't allow me, but it said I can make videos longer than 15 minutes now. So, at least we have that. To be honest, these tokens have not been used at all. So, let's just turn it all into comments. Yeah. I'm going to still keep all of these here. I will probably put the code in the description, by the way, and thank you for watching up to this point. Now, for here, I'm going to check the current. It's going to increment, and then the current character. Why would it update the... Alright, I'm going to just speed paste this. If you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that I usually do Python, so this is all new to me. Well, I know a thing or two about C++. Alright, phew. Now I see a lot of things without these at the end. Every time a statement ends like this, you need to add a semicolon. I know that. Let's just save in case anything happens. So, alright. Okay, I don't know how I'm supposed to deal with this. That works. Okay, how am I supposed to... So now... while the dot is equal to false, also need to semicolon there. While the dot is equal to false, oh yeah, also, oh yeah, wait, alright, float value equals string float value, not float value equals blank. Oh yeah, almost forgot the most important part. Add the dot. No, wait, no. Float value plus equals the current character, position, increments, oh wait, oops, and then now with this code, it shouldn't be doing anything with returning, I just noticed. Well, that's pretty bad. String tokens equals blank. Oh yeah, almost just caused the biggest error in error history. Now, tokens plus equals. Alright, so step one, we need to add a new space to the beginning. Now, oh yeah, so tokens plus equals space plus plus not why does it do that? Why is it erroring that? That should not be errored. What? You know what? Maybe I just need to do this. No? Why does it? Alright. Speed run. Already 30 minutes into this video. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm learning. I'm gonna have to fix the float thing, I just realized. Okay. And I'm going to keep it all in the same format. Let's see, can I just do int? Yep, I can. Alright, well, is digit or perfect. Well, either one of these is true. Alright. I'm going to nest an if loop. If the current character is a dot, then I'm going to I want to set dot to true. Otherwise, if equals the dot and dot equals true, Then I want it to I'll add errors later. Now, with this script, it should hopefully work. Now, alright, now, guys, let's real quick code something. Step 1, we need to add a new object. Don't know how I'm going to think how to get past this issue. So, to be honest, we don't need any call function. Let's just do a bit of that. Looks like it works. Now in here, probably going to be just fine. Yep. Alright. Well, first of all, string command, user command, while user command the user command does not equal exit, then first of all, I want it to say input with that beautiful /n. Now I want it to let me think. Oh yeah. I need it to get the line of the input, and I want it to send it to user command. Then I want it to print tokenizer dot dot tokenize oh yeah, I see what I mean. Dot tokenize It needs to tokenize. Why can't I think? Yes, tokenize user command. Alright, well, let's run this abomination of code. Input, 1 + 1. Integer. Integer 1. Did I seriously forget to make it increment? Oops. How did I forget to make it increment? Wait, no? Oh. Well, the position. Int 1 paren what? Alright. One plus one. Integer 1 paren. What is going on here? Is that like a left parenthesis or something? No? I don't get why it's saying paren. There's no parentheses. What? Alright, that's gonna be it for today. Please tell me what I did wrong. I will do one last show of my code. Please help. Alright, y'all. See ya. I'll have this video uploaded soon.